I've been doing martial arts for over 35 years. Over the last couple years, I just started noticing, wow, something ain't right. My kicks were getting softer, starting to hurt a little bit more. I was like, yeah, this isn't right. I deal with a lot of pain and this isn't good. I finally went to Dr. Weiss and he confirmed what I didn't want to know and didn't want to hear, is that I needed both hips replaced. My hips were pretty much wore down to nothing from all the years of just stretching and kicking and rolling around. And he told me it's a common thing now in martial artists. Yeah, so I had 2 hips done. The first one I did the beginning of this year in January. And after that, I was like, wow, this, no pain, this is incredible. I went right back to him after my visit and said, when can we do the next one? 2 months later, I was in there again. We did the second one, and the relief is just incredible. I was up walking around that day of surgery, which blew my mind. And it took a little bit of time, but within a week, 2 weeks, I was back on the mat, walking around, getting more and more flexible. And I was so amazed at how this happened. I mean, after I got them done, my life came back, is what happened. You know, I got the joy about teaching again. I could move again, there was no pain. It was like it just rejuvenated me. I was so happy and amazed with my outcome. I knew somebody else that had the trouble. I recommended her to go to him. And she did, and she's recovering and amazed and back on the mat training as well.